Hey, what's going on guys? Alex here, back again with another video. Has it ever happened that you grab your phone to make a voiceover but the microphone quality just wasn't it? I can assure you that's pretty frustrating. So today, we'll fix that problem. I'll be teaching you how to make your smartphone microphone sound as good as a studio microphone. So without any further ado, let's get started. Today, I'll be using a Samsung Galaxy A5 2017 for demonstration, but this video will still apply to any smartphone you have on hand. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is find the cloth. And yes, I know this may sound weird, but stay tuned till the end of the video to know why we are using this cloth right over here that popped out of nowhere. Anyways, the next thing that you want to do is locate the microphone on your phone. For this phone, the microphone is located in between the charging port and the earphone jack. It's this little hole right over. Now, the next thing that you want to do is open up your phone to your voice recording app and hit record. Now, you guys are still hearing me through this microphone right over here, but in a few seconds, you guys will be hearing me on this microphone. So right now, you guys are hearing me through this phone microphone that's hidden under this pink cloth. Now let me know in the comment section below if you heard any improvement, or if it lessened the quality, or if it stayed the same. And it's that simple. You guys have an amazing sounding microphone for free. Maybe you guys don't want to purchase a $40 microphone like this one right over here. You guys just want to use your smartphone microphone, make it sound good for a quick school project or a quick work project, and you guys need to make a voiceover, or honestly overall just anything you guys need a good sounding microphone for. And it's that simple. Start talking as clearly as possible you can, and you'll have a great sounding microphone. In fact, a crispy clear sounding studio microphone for free. Now, wait, there's one thing you guys need to do before starting to record with this little thing right over here. The first thing that you want to do, actually the last thing that you want to do, is make sure that this microphone right over here is 5 inches away from your mouth, and that the microphone is facing your mouth and your face 5 inches away, and have it as centered as it possibly can be to your face. And yeah, there you have it, a crispy clear sounding studio microphone for free. And in a few seconds, we'll switch back to this microphone right here. Alright, so right now you guys can hear me through this microphone right now. Oh, and the reason why we used a cloth is to replicate a microphone pop filter. And a microphone pop filter serves to reduce or even eliminate popping sounds caused by the mechanical impact of fast moving air on the microphone. And since this video is all about making your smartphone as good as a smart studio microphone, we don't want those popping sounds. And now that's it for me today. I hope this video was helpful, and please make sure to like, comment down below, share, and subscribe with notifications on to stay in the loop. Anyways, that's it for me today. Have a nice day. Actually, we're not done yet, guys. I was wrong. Make sure to go check my Make Your Windows 10 Look Clean and Professional video linked on the top right of the screen right now for a chance to win 1 out of 3 Taskbar X licenses. I'll be giving away 3 when we reach 100 subscribers. So to be eligible, all you gotta do is like, comment, share, and subscribe with notifications on to be entered, and it's that simple. And yeah, now we're done. Thank you and have a nice day.